Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So we do have access to a brand new leak by Ice Universe that has told us something brand new. A new technology is coming to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So let me show you the actual tweet where he has leaked this information. So if you look at this leak, it says Note 10's chin is going to be very narrow, the same level as the iPhone. And remember, he's talking about the chin. He's not talking about the top bezel or the side bezels. We already know that those are going to be the thinnest on the market. And now the bottom chin is also going to be very thin. But that's not the leak. So if we continue reading the actual tweet, he says no speaker grooves are going to be on the forehead. Okay, which means that the flagship sound on display technology will replace the traditional speaker. The forehead will be narrower, meaning it's going to be narrower than even the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus over here. But the highlight of this tweet, in fact, is not the bezels, it's the sound on display technology. And of course, this speaker groove that you see on the forehead will be gone on the Note 10 since it becomes unnecessary. So basically what sound on display technology means is that the speakers are going to be built in to the front of the actual display. So the sound is going to come through the display into your ear. You're not going to need a speaker grill on the top. Now we might still have a speaker grill at the bottom of the device, but we're not going to have an earpiece speaker grill on the top. Now I'll let you know that the only smartphone on the market right now that actually does this, actually uses this technology, is the LG G8. So basically what they have is they have a crystal sound OLED display where the entire screen is the actual display, so you get to hear all the sound right through the display. So that's great. Now I'll let you know real quick, last year Samsung actually held a little conference with 20 customers or so, business customers, and they showcased this presentation that you're seeing on the screen in that little forum. And when you look at this presentation, this graph over here shows fingerprint on the display technology, under panel sensor technology, sound on display technology, and of course haptic on display. So far we have had fingerprint on display technology that has already been implemented. We also have now with the Note 10, we're going to have the sound on display technology that's going to be implemented. And then if you look at the top right, you'll see it says UPS under panel sensor. And what that's going to be is that's going to be an under display camera that they're going to be coming up with very soon. Now on the Note 10, we know we're not going to get this UPS tech. On the Note 10, we're going to have a punch hole in the middle. But this is the vision that Samsung seems to have. So step by step, they're going towards the perfect smartphone that is going to be an all-screen display with nothing on the screen, but also everything in the screen. So that's what's going on. I want to give you guys a quick update. We are getting sound on display technology on the Note 10 with super slim bezels, a punch hole in the middle. And from everything else that we know about the smartphone, the fact that it's going to have a gorgeous display, a beautiful design, and of course a large display, all this stuff is getting me really excited to get my hands on this smartphone. So stay tuned for Note 10 updates. I'm going to update you guys as we get more and more leaks. And remember, these leaks are coming from very reliable sources, such as Ice Universe. It's most likely going to happen. So let me know what you guys think. Drop your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. For now, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.